This explanation is in terms of quantum physics. There are so many types of meditation methods, but the method that we follow is called Anapanasati meditation. It is also called breath meditation. It is a Buddhist meditation technique taught by Gautam Buddha. So this is Patriji. Yeah, he spread the practice of Anapanasati meditation, and he is striving hard to awaken and enlighten each and every individual. So even I am contributing my bit for that vision. Ana means breathing in, Apana means breathing out. Sati means being together. So it is the process of emptying our mind from thoughts. As we are breathing in and out, we are with our breath. So we just observe breath. That's what we do in meditation. No chanting involved. We aim to achieve zero state just by observing the breath. Now let's do another experiment. For a minute, all of you meditate with the techniques that you know. While you are meditating, just observe your feeling, like what's happening inside your head. Do you want to meditate? Do you want to continue doing it for a long time? Just observe all these feelings. Now, please go on, close your eyes and meditate for a minute. And remember these feelings, because we will be comparing it again after you finish today's session. So okay, friends. Now please come back. You can open your eyes. Remember this feeling, how you felt. So yeah, we'll be doing this again after I have explained about meditation. Some people ask, how can we get away from thoughts? And then they complain that they can't get away from those thoughts. So they just give up meditation. I'll come back to this idea of how to control thoughts later on in this presentation. But now knowledge also helps a lot to stick to meditation. Knowledge plays a key role in meditation actually. If you know the process, what's happening with you during your meditation, you never give up. So please listen carefully to obtain that information. So what we do in meditation, we just observe our breath. It takes our focus away from our mind and connects us to our inner self. When we are observing the breath, we are in the present moment, not in the past, nor in the future. Later on, when you have time, observe your thoughts. When you are not meditating, when you're just in the normal state, observe your thoughts. Most of the time, our thoughts are either in the past or in the future. So being in the present moment is the key to meditation and can be achieved by just focusing on the breath. You are not in a trance or sleeping, but you have to observe breath while you are fully awake. So that is what we do in meditation. Now let's see what's happening to us in meditation. First, we need to know about cosmic energy. You see this blue light in the picture? That is cosmic energy. It is the energy that is needed for our day-to-day activities like walking, sleeping, thinking. We get a little bit of energy in our sleep, but it is not sufficient. That's why we feel tired, we feel stressed. Only after sleep we feel refreshed. We don't feel refreshed after eating food. So that is cosmic energy, what we get in sleep. We can attract that abundant cosmic energy when we have zero thoughts. The cosmic energy flows into our body from the top of the head, called Brahmarandra. It's here. There are 72,000 nadis, which are nothing but energy tubes. You see all these white and blue nadis? All of these energy tubes start from the top of the head. And, as a flight takes its path, there is no road to follow, but they know exactly where to fly. Similarly, there is an energy path inside us. It flows in a systematic way. Wherever there is an energy block, there is a potential for diseases and diseases. So there is a block within us, cosmic energy finds it and unblocks it. That is how we avoid or we eliminate a lot of diseases and potential risk factors. That's what happens to us in meditation. The cosmic energy cleans our body and we keep absorbing the cosmic energy. The time recommended for a practice meditation is equal to your age. For example, if you are 30 years old, you should do 30 minutes a day. 50 years old means 50 minutes a day. It doesn't have to be continuous. You can take breaks. So let's see the benefits of meditation. As discussed, by removing all the blockages, cosmic energy heals the body. You can become a healthy person. So health is one benefit. Second one is it reduces the number of sleeping hours. A very common excuse we hear is people saying, I don't have time to do things. Meditation solves that problem. We gain more energy during meditation than in sleep. Due to the gain of energy during meditation, we require less sleep. So it saves time. And the next one is, next advantage is as you learn to be in the moment, while you are meditating, you are observing your breath. That's being in the moment. So as you learn to be in the moment, you learn to observe your emotions. Emotions like your anger, jealousy, sadness, fearfulness. Slowly you can control your emotions. When you are in control of your emotion, other people cannot make you sad or happy. You are in total freedom. You don't have to do things to please others, or you don't have to stop doing things because of what other people might think. You become a completely positive person. It increases your confidence and our relations becomes more meaningful. So yeah, amazing. Next is meditation helps you understand the purpose of life better. Once you understand this, you can work towards your life purpose. It really gives happiness and blissfulness. All of the choices you make appear to be more sensible now. You achieve a peaceful and joyful state of mind. That's another advantage. So if you have energy, with meditation, we are getting a lot of energy. We are getting a lot of time. Our confidence increases. We create positivity in our life, and we have peaceful life. We have joyful life, and now you can become whatever you want to be. You can certainly achieve what you have visualized. So all these are the wonderful benefits, friends. So why not meditate? Let these benefits act as a motivation to start and continue meditation. So let's see the posture. Sit comfort. We have to sitting comfortably is the main thing. It has to be a comfortable position. You can use a backrest or wall, anything to support your back. It is highly recommended to cross your legs and clasp your fingers. Energy leaks through gaps. So When we clasp our fingers and cross our legs, we form a beautiful energy circle without gaps. Your eyes should be closed. A lot of energy escapes through the eyes, so they should be closed. If you are wearing watch or glasses, you can take them off. We don't need them during meditation. We need to be as comfortable as we can be. So we sat for meditation. Next, what we do? Next, we witness our breath. When you are witnessing your breath, you focus on the breath going in and coming out. As we are beginners, we can observe the breath at the nostrils. We can focus on breathing. You may be tempted to take a longer or shorter breath, but do not do this. Just breathe normally. Make sure you are relaxed, not worrying about anything like time or things to do. So be relaxed, be mindful of your breath. That's what we do. Next, so we learned about cosmic energy, what happens to us in meditation, the advantages, how to sit in meditation. Now let's come to the main topic, which is thoughts. As I said earlier on, sometimes people get discouraged. They get frustrated. They say so many thoughts are coming. I'm not able to do meditation, and they give up. They think that they are not able to control thoughts. So what should we do for this? So the purpose of brain is thinking, right? So there is nothing wrong with getting the thoughts. It's natural. The fact is that the more you try to resist, the more thoughts persist. The more you think, like I should not have thoughts, the more you will have trouble with it. So don't chase the thoughts. They come and they go. Just come back to your breath. Just say to your thought, I'll come back to you later on, not now. Now I'm meditating. Just come back and start observing your breath. That's what we call a small victory. With every small victory adding up, it will become a bigger and bigger. So don't fight, just keep coming back to breath. As you practice, no gap between thoughts increases. You will be receiving cosmic energy in between the thoughts. Don't think you have to be in a completely blank state throughout the process. Even small gaps in between the thoughts, it also attracts cosmic energy. So all you have to do is sit in meditation. With practice, you can attract more and more cosmic energy by making the gaps in between thought gaps longer. So don't give up. When you sit for meditation, don't expect anything. Just concentrate on your breath and everything happens automatically. Okay, let's come back to our experiment. Now you know how to meditate, what to expect in meditations. So using these techniques, let's try a minute of meditation and you can observe the difference. Just, yeah, now go on. Please close your eyes and find yourself. Okay, friends, please come back. So how does it feel? Did you find the process interesting, the meditation process? Did you have a hope or might attract some cosmic energy? Yeah, so that's the difference, friends. So after knowing all this information and the process that's happening to you and how to control thoughts, hope I have created some interest in you to meditate. If you start this time, if you are starting as a new person, if you start this time, please do not give up. Even it seems as though nothing is happening in the meditation, it makes wonders to your life. When the cosmic energy flows inside you, the bliss, we feel bliss, the peacefulness, it's amazing. In addition to the benefits, just to enjoy this state, we have to meditate. So let me tell you how to end meditation. To come out of the meditation, we have to unclasp our hands and place the fingers on our eyes like this, so that all the energy at your fingertips is absorbed into your eyes. Because these are the ends, that's where leakage happens. So we are absorbing that energy back into our eyes. Then open eyes slowly. The process should be gradual. I'd like to tell you about group meditation, because we'll be doing a group meditation soon. So I would like to tell you the advantages of it. Group meditation amplifies the energies 3 times. So if you are doing alone, it gives group meditation gives 3 times more energy. We don't need to be in the same room. We can be in different rooms or even different parts of the world. If we are doing meditation together, that's it. That connects us all. We can connect virtually through internet also. Each one of us getting a higher amount of energy, and everyone gets benefited. You can enjoy group meditation. I mean, you can do group meditation for 40 days. It is recommended to do for 40 days, because this not only makes you disciplined, it really gets you into the whole process. Because the energy is flowing in the body, its effects will be seen, and you must let the process stabilize. So you should allow that much time, which is 40 days. If you will see a good results after that. So yeah, that's it from my friends. But about this group meditation, I was thinking maybe we can do something about it. Like we can do it as our next project, starting from Monday morning. If anybody is willing, we can take it forward as a 40-day group meditation. We can join through Zoom, and it's not going to be a guided meditation. It will be a silent meditation. So it will be in the morning at 5 o'clock. So think about it, and if you are interested, please share your opinions in the WhatsApp group. And if we have enough number, we can take it forward. Yeah, so hope you all have enjoyed my presentation, and I got some information from it.